Hello Woodwards, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will say how to work global search for any module. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here module Dev Global Search. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, go to user and display these options. First allow this manager group, let's say you. And now available or display here global search. Click on and see here contact is default set. Selected model is a contact. Main field name, sequence, active true, and search in message is allow. Available here search field and one to many field. Selected here this all field. It means using this all field you can search or display how many records available for this contact model. And if you want to search in line level, so available these options one to many field. You can easily select here one to many field and search field set here. Now I want to select here cell order. And say here based on selected model, auto generate here model name cells order. I want to display main field name. Select here sequence is 10 active true and display in message. Repeat. And also available here groups. If you want to set here for this group, so allow this. Now I want to search by like a name, partner ID and status. Select. And I want to also search in line level. So select here one to many field, cell order line. Related model is a cell order line. In line level I want to search by product and product type. So product and product type, let's say you. Also display here this button one to many field. I add here 1, so display here this counting number is 1. Now display here this global search. First I want to search here using this main field, display name. So right here, when I try to search only these 2 characters, then display here this please enter at least 3 characters. So add and see here this all result. Available total 10 cell orders. And this is your main display field. Now I want to search field by customer. So now I want to see here Deco Addict for available any order. So right here customer name Deco Addict. And see here result. Available total 4 orders of Deco Addict. And display here customers. Also search by status like a draft. And display here this result. Total cell order is a 4, 3, 5, 2 and 1. Can see here 03 number order is also available in quotation or draft set. Back to global search, and now I want to search in line level. So go to this global search icon, and now I want to search product like a customizable desk. And see here this 06 order have a available this customizable desk. Now I want to search one more product like a cabinet chair and display here this no result found for cabinet. Repeat. And display here this no result found for cabinet because any order have not this product cabinet. And I want to search by type. So see here steel. So not available any steel product for order. display here this option active. And now I want to do this inactive. So easily remove in list. And also display here filter active and inactive. So active in display only contact. Here available these options active true. It means display in line level. And these both are available or active here. But now I want to inactive this sell order. Display here the sell order is archived. It means list level in not display. And only display this contact. But if you want to see here this filter active in archive, so when I select here archive, then display here sell order. So using this our app, you can easily search by any field for the specific model. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.